In this video, I'll show you how to use Webull Paper Trading. Start by signing into your Webull account using the mobile app or desktop platform. Next, switch to Paper Trading from the account selection menu. If you're using the mobile app, tap the account icon and select Paper Trading. After that, you'll receive a virtual balance that you can use to practice trading without risking real money. Now search for the stock, ETF, or other supported asset you want to trade. Next, open the Assets Details page and tap Trade. After that, choose whether you want to place a buy or sell order. Now enter the number of shares, select your order type, such as market or limit, and review the estimated order details. Next, tap Paper Trade or Place Order to submit your simulated trade. After that, monitor your open positions, watch list, and virtual portfolio from the Paper Trading dashboard to track your performance. Now continue practicing by testing different trading strategies, order types, and market conditions without using real funds. Finally, review your trade history and portfolio performance regularly to learn from your results and improve your trading skills. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Webull Paper Trading. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.